The Human Disease Ontology Project presents How the Human Disease Ontology is used for drug studies. As we've discussed before, the Human Disease Ontology serves as the term source for standardized disease terms. For example, cardiovascular cancer has the DOE-ID 176. This allows other resources to utilize the Human Disease Ontology's standardized disease terms. In this video, we will discuss how resources and tools involved in drug studies employ the Human Disease Ontology. A growing body of drug interaction research studies use the Human Disease Ontology. Each of these resources utilize the Human Disease Ontology to map disease terms. References for these resources are included in the video description. While not mutually exclusive, these resources can be broadly categorized as follows, with some of the examples as noted. Drug discovery and/or repurposing, drug interactions, improving therapeutic efficacy and/or reducing side effects, ontology development, personalized and precision medicine, disease genetics prediction and drug discovery, and modeling disease similarity and disease-related gene expression. Let's take a look at some of these tools and resources. Adeptus is a manually curated compendium containing more than 14,000 expression profiles spanning 48 diseases and 18 expression platforms, which yielded specific biomarkers for 24 of the analyzed diseases. The biomarkers were integrated with mutation and drug target data to generate disease summaries, suggesting novel directions in disease understanding and drug repurposing. Here we see how the Human Disease Ontology is incorporated into the workflow and how the diseases included in this study are related through is-a relationships. Drug Central is an online drug compendium which can also be downloaded as a relational database. It integrates structure, bioactivity, regulatory, pharmacological actions, and indications for active pharmaceutical ingredients approved by the FDA and other regulatory agencies. While Drug Central integrates content for active ingredients with pharmaceutical formulations and indexes drugs and drug label annotations, it also utilizes and cross-references external resources such as the Human Disease Ontology. The ontology of drug adverse events represents various adverse effects of drugs and represents the complex relations among drugs, drug ingredient and mechanism of action, adverse effects, age, disease, and other related factors. The Obsessive-Compulsive Disorder Database is a web server for study of obsessive-compulsive disorder that serves as a resource for genome-wide analysis, genetic and pharmacological studies, and facilitates the evaluation of genetic data in OCD and the detection of alternative treatments. Hopefully, you found our description of the Human Disease Ontology drug use cases helpful. Please like us and subscribe. This video was brought to you by Lynn Schrimmel and the Human Disease Ontology Project. Funding for this project is provided by the National Institutes of Health, National Human Genome Research Institute, grant number U41 HG008 735-01A1.